So hi friend, this is Amit. Here I am going to provide you complete information after the JEE Advanced Examination of 2024. After complete analysis and current year trend, I am going to provide you marks versus rank versus all 23 IIT information. You are going to get the category wise rank for all the category based on your expected 300 plus mark. General rank 60 or less than that will be there. For EWS under 10, OBC under 15, SC ST don't score above 300 plus marks as per the previous year trend. If you have a score, then you will be getting rank 1. First of all, congratulations to you. So for 280 plus 145 general, EWS 20, OBC 30, SC 1, and 260 340 45 55 and 2. Now if you talk about for 240 plus 590 70 903, that is for general, EWS, OBC, SC, ST respectively. For 220 plus marks, general rank will be 880 or less than that. For EWS 100 or less than that rank, and for OBC 150 rank, that is in OBC category, and for SC under 5 rank for sure. For 210 plus 1.3 thousand for general, 140 for EWS, 240 for OBC, that is under this you will get the rank. And for SC 10, ST 5. For 200 plus 1.9 thousand for general, 190 for EWS, 350 for OBC, that is less than that, and 15 for SC category. For 190 plus under 2.4 thousand for general, under 225 for EWS, under 460 for OBC, under 20 for SC, and under 10 for ST category. For 180 plus 2.9 thousand for general, 300 for EWS, 580 for OBC, 25 and 15 for SC ST respectively. Now if you talk about for 170 plus marks, then 3.6 thousand for general, 420 and 710 for OBC and EWS, EWS and OBC respectively, and for SC and ST it is 45 and 20 respectively. Now if you talk about for 160 plus marks, 4.7 thousand, 580, 870, 105 and 30, that is for all the category general, EWS, OBC, SC, ST. So here I would like to inform you about my complete mentorship and guidance program. If you want, you can contact me for that. It is complete JOSA counseling plus CSAB counseling or any other counseling, whatever you will do this year based on your private college examination, that is Manipal, VIT, COMEDK, as well as BITSAT, or based on JEE also, that is JAC Delhi, JAC Chandigarh, MSCT, UPTU, WBJEE, all type of counseling I will guide you so that you can get the best out of your rank in each counseling, and later we will advise you to get into the best college with best possible branch. So for everything there is an app and website link available in the description box, or you can contact me through WhatsApp also. But if you want the guidance, then only, otherwise not possible. Otherwise you can ask your question in the comment section or in my live stream. I would like to inform you about my complete guidance and mentorship regarding all type of entrance exam. Through this you will choose the best college and best branch, as I am guiding the student from last 6 years. Yes, over 10,000 students already have guided. Whenever you want and whatever counseling you are doing, I will guide you for everything, that is JOSA, CSAB, JAC Delhi, JAC Chandigarh, Manipal, VIT, BITSAT, COMEDK, EEEE, or any other state level counseling. I will be guiding you for all the counseling, as I am doing it from last 6 years. Sidewise you can check the detail as well. And once you register, you will get one-to-one personal call option all the time, and message you can do whenever you want, whenever you will have the doubt. Here I will provide you the personalized choice filling order for you, because every student have different type of rank, different type of vision, different type of interest, different type of family background. So there can't be a general choice filling for all the students. So I will provide you the personalized choice filling order. So on the screen you can check the detail in the description also. Once you contact, if you find my guidance helpful, you can register for that by doing the nominal payment regarding that and by sending your details. So now if you talk about for 150 plus 6.2 thousand, 780, 1.1 thousand, 135, 140, again for general, EWS, OBC, SC, ST respectively. Now if you talk about for 140 plus 7.9 thousand for general, 990 or less than that for EWS, 1.6 thousand for OBC and SC, 190, ST 60. For 130 plus 10,000 for general, 1300 for EWS, 2200 for OBC, 270 for SC, 80 for ST. 120 plus 12,300 for general, 1.8 thousand for EWS, 2.9 thousand for OBC, 400 for SC and 100 for ST category. Now if you talk about for 110 plus, then 15,000, 2.3, 3.8, 530 and 145 rank for general, EWS, OBC, SC, ST respectively. For 100 plus marks, 19,000, 3.15, 740, 195, again for all the categories. For 90 plus 26, 4.2, 6.8, 970, 280 for all the category. For 80, there is no scope for general category, that's why I'm not providing. For EWS 5.4 thousand, OBC 9,000, SC 1300, and for ST 420. For 70 plus mark, there is no scope for EWS, OBC and general, so that's why I'm providing for only SC, ST, that is 2,000 and 590. For 60 plus 2.9 thousand, 950. For 50 plus 4,000, 1.3 thousand. For 45 plus 5,000 and 1.6 thousand for SC, ST respectively. So this was the complete information regarding marks versus rank, that is category wise. Now